Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. So from a high level point of view here, no change. I still see this currently as a leading diagonal that finished here in a wave 1 at around 47.70. We then moved down in a wave A, we moved up in a wave B, we're now coming down in a wave C. Alternatively, the wave 1 can sit here and this is only a wave A, we move up in a wave B and come down in a C. Or the AB happened here and we are already in the C. So it doesn't really make a great difference. Therefore, until we have more price, let's say price information of the next waves that are unfolding, I'm going to leave it like that. This is currently still a bullish scenario that the bulls can use to defend and avoid, well, to avoid a bearish scenario. The bearish scenario for me would get much more likely if we lose this yellow area here below $30.50. If we lose this level, I think then we have to possibly throw out this bullish scenario out of the window. Unfortunately, Solana never managed to break above that 48.40 level. You see how relevant that level was. We tried it a few times, we failed. And I've been talking about this level basically since the beginning here because it's the previous wave 4 high. Only if you move above that level, a more bullish condition would have been fulfilled and we would have prevented, or we would have invalidated a lot of the bearish patterns that are still possible here. Therefore, it was I think the right choice to be cautious here and be on the side of caution with Solana and not be overly bullish here, because this was and still is the key level that needs to be broken to be more bullish and become more bullish about Solana, at least in the short term here. Yeah? So, however, let's take a look at the imminent short term, because this is important. We talked about these two reversal areas, they were reached. We talked about this reversal area that was reached. Those were sort of higher confidence areas where we expected a price reversal to occur. Those price targets have been hit. Without a problem, we can get into this area again because it's still relevant for a wave 4 scenario in which we possibly are at the moment. So there's a few possibilities how this can unfold. I mean, in the previous video, I told you that this here is probably a triangle pattern, or at least it could evolve as a triangle. Triangles are very difficult to forecast. Unfortunately, with this latest move to the upside in a wave E, this triangle has been, well, not invalidated strictly, because you only invalidate the triangle if you break above the wave A, which would be here at $37. But this cannot be a wave E anymore. So if we want to still count this as a triangle, we have to do it like this. This has to be the wave C. So it was a very long 3-wave move, wave C. Normally in a triangle, one wave is the more complex wave. And to be honest, very often it is the wave C. So in that scenario, then that could be the wave D, and we could already be in the wave E. Any upside in this current wave count of the triangle needs to stay below $36.41. To be honest, as long as we stay below $37 downside pressure, and we have to expect further downside here. A good indication that the sell-off has started in wave 5, as indicated here, is a move below that wave D that is at 34.80, and confirmation will happen below wave B that is at $33.70. Ideal target for that retracement is between $30.50 and $31. That is first of all a key target for the wave 5, but it's also a key target for this wave 2 retracement, the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level. Now, if we go higher in the wave E and may even go above the wave A, we first have to consider if this is not maybe something that is happening on the Ethereum chart as well, like the wave C unfolding as a diagonal, so that we have only the ABC pattern here. That's possible as well. So the thing is, unless we really move up now impulsively above a certain level, we have to be focused on the downside here, and that level is first of all that $38.20 level, the 38.2% Fibonacci level. Quite funny actually that it's $38.20 and the 38.2% Fib level, but this is what we're looking for. That is the ideal retracement for a wave 4. So I wouldn't have a problem with this wave 4 actually going all the way up there. A wave 4 normally can be quite long, can be quite long-winded. So no problem for it to go there actually. It would then just probably be an ABC and not a triangle anymore. Strictly speaking, if we take it very accurately, the wave 4 could even go higher. It could actually go all the way to the 50% Fib level. Yeah, but this would then be maxing it out, and I see this only in a rather bullish scenario, or let's say, because you can see how big the wave 4 would actually be. I don't see that in the current scenario actually. So I think the 3820 level is certainly realistic, but I don't even know if we get there actually. So we need to be here on high alert that at any point in time we could unfold to the downside. Only if we now see an impulse to the upside. For example here, yeah, if we have this little wave pattern here, if from here we see a 3-wave pullback, make a higher low, and then go impulsively above the wave A, that's already a signal that, okay, the low might be in here, bit of a double bottom here anyway. So we don't need to do that one more dip. Yeah, we don't need to. That is very important to highlight, because at the moment, if we see this as a leading diagonal, you can see that we're actually currently holding support about above the 61.8% fib level. That is a very, very relevant support level. And to be honest, with this move down, in terms of retracement for a wave 2, we fulfilled the requirements anyway. So both options possible now in this possible turnaround space here. Unfortunately, at the moment, the situation in the crypto market is like that. It is a bit ambiguous, a bit unclear. And sometimes it's just better to wait for confirmation, you know, not just trying to trade every small wave because you wake up and think today I must trade, but to wait for the higher confidence situations. And at the moment, due to the wave structure, the market structure here, various scenarios are possible. So we need to wait now for the market to decide, and then we have a clearer picture. After that wave 2 retracement, I would expect a recovery to the upside, and then we'll see if this will be impulsive or corrective, and I'll keep you updated about that, and then also about the next possible price moves. Okay, that's my update about Solana. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe, and make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. And you please only use the official links that you can find in the video description, and also check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.